In this video, I will share with you how you can fill out the C5 form for Jamaica Customs. You're required to do this before you enter Jamaica. You can do this way in advance once you have booked your flight. Website www.enterjamaica.gov. Now, when you fill out the form, you're not required to pay any form of money. It's completely free. So if you're on a site that is asking you to pay, leave that site. That's a scam. So here, provide your email address and then select continue. Once you receive your code, enter and then select verify code. Here you're going to provide your personal information. Now I'll be completing this form with complete demo data, right? Now in this section where it say family members with you, even if you say 3 family members, you have to fill out a separate card for them. Here you're going to specify your home address. This is where you currently live. Kingston, State Province, Kingston. Zip code, if you don't know it, you can specify 4 zeros and then you're going to select your country. So let's say Jamaica. Here you're going to specify your occupation. Let's say farmer. Specify your passport number. Where it was issued, select your country and then your trip details. So here you're going to specify your destination. So let's say we're going to Sandals Hotel. All right, enter your travel location, your travel destination. So here you're going to provide your travel destination. Countries visited in the last 6 weeks, select what best apply, none. Now you're going to choose your flight name from the drop down, let's say Copa Airlines. Then you're going to specify the flight number, departure, Miami, and the date you intend to travel. So again, remember you can complete this form way before your arrival. So let's say July 31st. Select your purpose of visit, whether it be visiting friends or vacation. If it's multiple, then you can go ahead, select what best applies to you. Specify your length of stay in days, let's say 10 days. Number of luggages accompanying you, let's say 2 suitcases. Then if you have shipped any packages, then you can specify here. So in your case, if you haven't shipped anything, you can say 0. Here you need to declare whatever you are bringing with you. So for this demonstration, I'm going to select no. But if you're not sure, select what best applies. Now in the next section, now you're allowed to take in items duty free under $1,000 US. So if you're in doubt, fill out this section and select your currency. Now ensure that you also have your receipt. This will save you a lot of time, especially in a case where you know you have stuff valued over the $1,000 US. Ensure you keep track of your receipts. And then once you're done, you just go ahead and select submit form. Agree to the terms and conditions and then select yes, submit. Now this is primarily for demonstration purposes, so I don't expect it to go through. But you get an idea of how you can go about filling out the form. So that's it for now guys. Enjoy your trip to Jamaica and don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.